Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. As you can see, we gearing up for Eagles Super Bowl. Listen, one more game to go, and then we in the bowl, all right? Ain't that right, man? Check this out. Anyway, look, we have the perfect appetizer here for any of your Super Bowl parties or whatever. It don't matter the sport. Look, we're gonna go ahead and do a buffalo chicken dip right here. Just quick, let's go over the ingredients. We're gonna use this Frank's Red Hot right there. That's the perfect buffalo sauce. We're gonna go in with a little bit of ranch, a little bit of seasonings. I got some salt, pepper, just some garlic powder, onion powder. We're gonna be using a little bit of cheddar cheese here. I got this mozzarella right there for you too. Cream cheese. We're gonna use some chives. I have crumbled blue cheese. And look, keep it simple. I just have a nice little easy rotisserie chicken right here. It's already done. Look. We ready for the bowl. Listen, say go Eagles, man. Say go Eagles, man. Anyway, let's go ahead and make this right now. Let's get into it. First thing first, for the record, that ain't no 49ers hat right there. That's a Phillies hat. I still gotta represent my Phillies too. Anyway though, back to the buffalo chicken dip. I just use a nice easy rotisserie chicken. I mean, it's super simple. It's already cooked. There's a lot of flavor in it. Saves you a ton of time. Remember, we just trying to keep this simple, easy, and fast to make for your guests and stuff. So start by peeling off the skin and just break up the meat like that. It ain't rocket science. We can go down now and hit the chicken with some of that seasoning that we had. Remember, it's just black pepper, tiny little bit of salt, because remember, this is already flavored pretty good, but we just want to take it up a little notch. So tiny little bit of salt, and then that garlic and onion powder too. Once we add all those seasonings in, then we could just go ahead and give it a mix. Remember, hopefully you should be using softened cream cheese. It just makes everything a whole lot easier to mix up and stuff. So let that sit out 20 minutes, maybe a half hour before you mix it up. Just mix and fold in that chicken and make sure it's spread evenly throughout. Gotta go in with that Frank's Red Hot. I'm telling you, it's the best hot sauce out there, hands down. Let me know what your favorite hot sauce is down in the comments below. If there's any others I should try. This is a pretty good ranch that I like to use right here. Forget that Hidden Valley junk. That Marie's, they have some good dressings too. So now just fold this all into. Make sure you spread out the buffalo and that ranch evenly. That's looking great. Love the color on it. For my favorite part, I love to add the cheese. I'm just using mozzarella and some cheddar here. I can't even lie to y'all, I didn't shred this one. I usually always say, shred your own cheese. It's always a whole lot better, which is true. But remember, I wanted to keep this, completely honest with everybody. And, when you're making appetizers for a whole lot of people and stuff, you want to be fast. You want to be, make it cheap. But I did use Sargento cheese. It's honestly like the only pre-packaged shredded cheese that I rock with. So at least get a good quality one if you're gonna use pre-shredded. Once that's all folded and mixed up, just even it out on top, because now we're gonna add more cheese. Very similar to like making like a mac and cheese or something like that. We just want to get a nice crispy coating on the top. Starting out with some more of that cheddar. And we're gonna hit it with that mozzarella. Let it all get, just even. That's gonna melt down, look beautiful. Hey, by the way, I forgot to mention, my little companion there, my son, yeah, he happened to fall asleep right after we filmed that first part, so he's not gonna be in any more of the video here. Anyway, that's looking banging. I'm just gonna finish up with a little bit of garnish. I have ranch. Y'all like my bag right there? See that? spread a little more ranch. This that crumbled blue cheese. You can leave this part out if you'd like to, but not for me. We're gonna hook it up. Let me throw a little more in there too. Yup. Now we just hit it with them chives right there. That's looking beautiful. Look, listen. Like I said, this right here is good for any sporting event, any team, any party, whatever. But you know my Eagles about to go all the way and win it. So technically this is an Eagles appetizer right here, alright? Listen, you see it's looking beautiful. I gotta go in with the scoops too. This is the best thing with it, so. Listen, I got my scoop. We about to go in. Hey, yo, I'm scared. That looked too hot. Damn, that's a lot too, but you know what? I'm going in anyway, baby. Y'all come make that for yourself, I'm telling you.